Bonjour, and welcome to Paris. Today, we're diving into the stories of two architectural marvels that define the city's skyline: the historic Arc de Triomphe and the modern Grande Arche de la Défense. Let's journey through time and design. The Arc de Triomphe, a monument to victory. First, we travel back to 1806, when Napoleon Bonaparte commissioned the Arc de Triomphe to honor his military victories. Standing 50 meters tall and 45 meters wide, this neoclassical masterpiece is adorned with intricate carvings of battles and heroes. Did you know it took over 30 years to complete? Talk about a labor of love. The Arc isn't just about history. Climb its 284 steps to reach the rooftop. From here, you'll see the stunning cityscape and its connection to the modern district of La Défense. Fun fact: while the Arc de Triomphe isn't a building with rooms, its interiors host a small museum showcasing its rich history. The Grande Arche de la Défense, a modern vision. Fast forward to 1989, and we have the Grande Arche de la Défense. This colossal structure stands 110 meters tall, roughly equivalent to a 35-story building, and is 112 meters wide. Commissioned as part of Paris's bicentennial celebrations, it was designed by Danish architect Johan Otto von Spreckelsen, and later completed by French architect Paul Andrew. The Grande Arche isn't just a landmark, it's a working space. Inside, it contains 35 floors of offices, meeting rooms, and exhibition spaces. Its central section houses a vast, empty space, symbolizing an open doorway to the future. The rooftop terrace is another highlight, offering panoramic views of Paris and serving as a venue for exhibitions and events. The Grand Axis of Paris. Here's the fascinating part. Both arches are aligned along the Axe Historique, an imaginary line stretching from the Louvre to La Défense. This alignment symbolizes Paris's evolution from its regal past to its innovative future. One arch celebrates triumph, the other looks to the future. Together, they frame Paris's incredible story, a city where tradition meets innovation. Fun facts. Fun fact time. Did you know that the Arc de Triomph's eternal flame has been burning since 1923? Making it one of the oldest continuous flames in the world? And here's another fun fact. The Grande Arche is so massive that Notre Dame Cathedral could fit inside its hollow center. Its white Carrara marble reflects light beautifully, symbolizing transparency and openness in the modern world. So, whether you're drawn to the grandeur of the Arc de Triomphe or the sleek modernity of the Grande Arche, both landmarks are must-see stops in Paris. Together, they tell a tale of history, design, and the enduring spirit of the City of Light. Thanks for joining us on this arch adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more with us on Romani Yadunya. Au revoir!